Chavito Bade from Fort Watson, representing the first Disney princess, Snow White. I'm the main character in the first animated movie, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I have a complexion, I make dresses. My story is based on fairy tales, wherein I'm poisoned by my stepmother